Here's Marky. Let's make a cheesy sandwich. Everything is to taste here, so no real measurements today. First cheese being used is mozzarella. Low moisture, bouncy, typically used for pizza because it melts so easy, ooey, gooey, and delicious. Grate as much as you like on a box grater and save that little end knob for yourself. A little treat for grating all that cheese. Next up is Fontina d'Aosta, a funky, earthy, nutty, sweet flavor and a bit dense in texture. This protected designation of origin, also known as DOP, is made in the region it was born in, and only there, the Aosta Valley in northwestern Italy. Now, this cheese typically isn't available everywhere, so using the Danish Fontina, the one with the red rind, is a great substitute. It's a little bit more creamy, it's a little bit cheaper as well, and it's just readily available. But like I say, try to find the Fontina d'Aosta. It's an amazing cheese, and I always say make the effort to shop at a local cheese shop or artisanal shop to try new foods and products, not only for yourself but for your family and friends. After grating as much as you like, you know what to do with that little end knob. Last cheese we're using is Parmigiano-Reggiano. This will be used on the outside of the sandwich to create a crispy, delicious outer layer crust. Now, I wanted to add some meat to this, and Prosciutto Cotto sounded like the perfect fit. Unlike Prosciutto Crudo, which is more of the raw version, Prosciutto Cotto means cooked, and it's slowly cooked prosciutto that is brined and just melts in your mouth. Now for the bread, go for what you like. I'm using a Dutch crunch today. That is perfect for this sandwich, I find. So, what fat do you use for your bread? There's team mayo and team butter. Both options are fine. You do what you want to do. Mayo has a higher smoke point. You know, you might get more browning and a crispier texture, but where's the flavor? The flavor's in butter. So just use butter. Butter, you're still gonna get a nice crispy texture, nice browning, but you're gonna get all the flavor. So use butter. Just make sure that it's room temperature. So if you're in a pinch, I guess you can use mayo, but if you know you're gonna make the recipe, just take out some butter and make sure that's at room temperature. So, butter. Liberally spread butter on both slices of bread all the way to the edges. Don't be shy. And then put some of that Parmigiano-Reggiano down and dip the slices butter side down into the cheese, pressing gently so that it all sticks together. Then place one slice butter and cheese side down into a cold pan, and then add some mozzarella, some of the Fontina, then add some Prosciutto Cotto, and then add some more mozzarella and Fontina, and place the other slice on top. Now turn the heat onto low to medium, and if you have a sandwich press, go for it. If not, you can use a spatula and a can of whatever you have in your cupboard. This is all optional, but the weight does help toast the bread evenly. And don't forget to check your bread as it cooks. This took me about 6 minutes on low heat. And then I just check underneath and then flip and cook the other side, checking often. Once done, we're gonna place on a wire rack, if you have one, to let cool, and the Parmigiano-Reggiano crust will crisp up even more as it cools down. Just listen to this. And then cut into triangles, yes, triangles, and bring it to the table. All right, so I can eat this every day. You know, the Parmigiano-Reggiano outer crust layer is really what makes this. You know, you get the saltiness of the Prosciutto Cotto. That helps balance the nuttiness of the Fontina, and then the mozzarella, which is nice and mild, stretchy, melty, creamy. Oh, and of course the butter. You gotta have butter. Butter is flavor, and it just, this is all flavor. So I hope you give this a go. And as always, the full recipe is in the description below. Please like and comment. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And until next time, ciao.